Hello and welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to embrace the flow of abundance with the law of attraction, unveiling the wisdom of Catherine Ponder. This video has been created by Monika Pavlickova. Imagine a world where the river of wealth flows effortlessly towards you, where the universe eagerly anticipates showering you with endless prosperity, a reality rightfully yours. Catherine Ponder, a beacon of insight, reveals the enchanting secret to unlocking this boundless wealth. Unlock the doors of your mind to welcome the universe's eager embrace, as it prepares to shower you with the boundless prosperity that inherently belongs to you. Open your mind to receive, for the universe eagerly awaits to shower you with the limitless prosperity that is rightfully yours. These words, gracefully spoken by Catherine Ponder, hold the key to your magnificent journey. Have you ever paused to ponder the wondrous ease with which some souls attract opulence and triumph? Why do they dance with prosperity while others labor in the shadows of scarcity? Within the pages of the groundbreaking masterpiece, Open Your Mind to Receive, Catherine Ponder unravels this enigma. In her words, a key to the vaults of boundless riches is unveiled. I am receiving. I am attaining the wealth the universe holds for me, now. Imagine the reverberations of this proclamation transforming your existence. Allow me to share an enchanting story, a tale that will stir your heart and awaken the dormant seeds of abundance within you. Lean in, embrace the excitement, and journey with me into the marvelous world of Catherine Ponder and her blueprints for unlocking infinite prosperity. Visualize a waterfall of possibilities cascading into your life, each droplet shimmering with the potential to reshape your reality. Now, let's delve into the vital lesson from the story of a woman penned by Catherine Ponder. A lesson, often missed, resonating through ages. An unprepared heart can't fully embrace the riches, health, and wealth it desires. Picture holding a chest of untold treasures, waiting to be unlocked, but you hesitate, unready to claim what is rightfully yours. Catherine Ponder emerges as a torchbearer of profound insights. She beckons us to open our minds, to embrace the prosperity the universe cradles in its cosmic hands. Her life's purpose is dedicated to decoding the law of attraction, particularly as it weaves its tapestry of prosperity. Open Your Mind to Receive is a treasure map, guiding you toward the prosperity encompassing all facets of life. Imagine yourself as a seeker of treasures, and the universe as a cosmic chest of infinite potential. Yet, the treasure lies dormant until you're equipped to receive. This isn't merely about affirmations or visualizations, it's about aligning your spirit to accept the universe's bounty. The magic unfolds when you cultivate a state of readiness to embrace blessings, to hold the universe's gifts in your palms. Embrace a transformative exercise, an act of liberation. Reflect on your beliefs and conditioning that may have unwittingly fenced you from receiving abundance. Have you been told that wealth is out of reach, that desiring prosperity is an act of selfishness? Unshackle these barriers, make the conscious choice to release them from your essence. Witness the real marvel, the power within you. Below, in the comments, express words of prosperity. Declare boldly, I accept the universe's abundance meant for me. This declaration broadcasts your readiness to the cosmos, like a beacon guiding a ship to its harbor. Doubt is a familiar companion on this journey of transformation. Do the stories Catherine Ponder shares hold true? Let's embrace skepticism and unveil the truth. Catherine assures us that each tale shared in her works merely scratches the surface of abundant stories, too numerous to recount. From her vault, let me share a tale of a housewife who, in practicing the law of attraction, stumbled upon a revelation. She referred to her income as fixed, unknowingly sealing the door to abundance. With a newfound affirmation, I am receiving. I am attaining the wealth the universe holds for me, now. Her life transformed. A call from a cable company became a gateway to an abundance-laden series and prosperous ventures. The tapestry of her life was adorned with threads of prosperity, her retired husband's business prospering too, money flowing from every corner of existence. This tale is a whisper from the universe, a reminder that when you shift your mindset, miracles transpire. Opportunities, resources, and abundance unfurl from unexpected avenues. The universe responds to your readiness to receive, gifting you blessings beyond measure. Let me introduce you to Alex, a beacon of transformation. Held captive by self-doubt and limited thinking, Alex dreamt of financial freedom. A fateful encounter with Catherine Ponder's wisdom sparked a revolution. Affirmations of prosperity became their daily hymn. And oh, how marvelous the symphony that followed: opportunities, mentors, successes, and growth. Your life is a canvas of limitless potential. Catherine Ponder's teachings are a portal to your transformation. Shed your limiting beliefs, clothe yourself in the mantle of prosperity, and behold the universe's symphony of magic. You, dear soul, possess the alchemy to transform dreams into reality. Open the door to Catherine Ponder's revelations, dispel doubt, and step onto the stage of abundance. The treasures you seek are but a thought away, waiting for your embrace. Together, let's paint a world where abundance flows freely, where you are the author of your reality. Unleash your potential, harness the wisdom, and create your life's masterpiece, a symphony of prosperity, purpose, and joy. Your life is a canvas of endless potential. Embrace Catherine Ponder's revelations, let go of doubt, and dance with the universe in the rhythm of abundance. The treasures you seek are within reach, waiting for your readiness to receive. Together, let's paint a reality filled with prosperity, and make the universe our co-creator in the masterpiece of life. Embark on a journey of empowerment and abundance. Greetings, fellow seekers of prosperity and creators of destiny. As you venture forward on the path of self-discovery and boundless potential, remember that this channel is your guiding light. Subscribe and join our community, where every video is a stepping stone towards unveiling the prosperous life you deserve. Picture this: the universe holds a treasure trove of success and wealth, and it's all meant for you. Take a moment to let that sink in. You are a cosmic being, worthy of every dream, every aspiration. Open your mind wide to the incredible possibilities that await you. Embrace abundance as your birthright, and watch as it weaves a tapestry of fulfillment that matches your true desires. Hungry for more wisdom about the law of attraction? Eager to dive deeper into the ocean of manifestation? You're in for a treat. Subscribe to our channel and embark on a journey of enlightenment. We're dedicated to bringing you not one, not two, but 3 empowering videos each week. These videos are your compass, navigating through the secrets of turning dreams into reality, of summoning money and prosperity into your life. And, if this video resonated with your heart and stirred your soul, don't hesitate to give that thumbs up button a joyful tap. Your likes, your comments, they are the fuel that propels us forward. Each interaction you share empowers us to continue crafting content that uplifts and resonates with your journey. Never forget, my dear friend, that the universe's vaults are brimming with prosperity, wealth, and success. You are a co-creator of your reality, a sculptor of your dreams. It's time to shed the shackles of limiting beliefs, to step boldly into the realm of endless possibilities. Hand in hand, let's paint the canvas of existence with hues of prosperity, joy, and fulfillment. Subscribe now, ignite your potential, and let's pave a path of abundance together.